What I want to do today is share with you how to take a maintenance call. A tenant calls you with a problem, AC's out. This is how most people take a maintenance call. They see it as an interruption in their day. They see it as no value at all, that it's taking away from their lives, and they address it that way. Hello? Oh, hi, Mike. Your AC's out. What temperature do you keep it at? None of your business. That's what temperature he keeps it at. Are you changing the filter? What's wrong? Like the guy knows. And what people do is they turn it into something negative. Here's how you take a maintenance call. Hello? Oh, hi, Mike. Your AC's out. Oh, man, I'm so sorry. Look, give me 15 minutes. Either my AC guy or I will be back on the phone with you in 15 minutes. Isn't your wife pregnant? Oh my gosh. Listen, if I can't get a hold of my AC guy, I'll drive to Home Depot and get a window unit for your wife's bedroom, and we'll put that in. All right, but I think my AC guy can get with you. All right, again, I apologize, Mike. I'll talk to you again soon. Done. That's how you take a maintenance call. Because once a tenant moves in, your job is tenant retention, keeping them there. The better you take care of them, the longer they're going to stay, and the lower your maintenance, rehab, make ready, and so on costs are going to be. And of course, vacancy. But there's one other perspective you have to understand. That phone call made me money. See, everybody focuses on the fact that, oh my gosh, it might be a $2,000 repair. That cost me $2,000. Wrong perspective. Let's say you have 20 rent houses and you make $10,000 a month cash flow off of it. That phone call just made me $10,000. Why do I look at it that way? Because that's the reality. When I had 20 rent houses, I think I got a phone call about every 3 months. If I'm making $10,000 a month in cash flow, that maintenance call made me $30,000. Not to mention the principal pay down, not to mention the equity capture, not to mention the appreciation. You got to keep it in perspective. You're making money 4 ways on that deal. Take those maintenance calls with love and respect and a deep concern for your tenant's well-being. Focus on that. Focus on the fact that you're building massive amounts of wealth. Those calls are not an interruption. They are not negative. They are making you massive amounts of money. That's Investor Tip Tuesday. Thanks for watching.